Going on, guys? Welcome back to His Quality. Brandon here. And my fiance Alicia next to me. She is not happy about this one.
No.
Shout out to my mom for getting me the Yee Yee Jerky. It's hot and spicy. Right there. Prime Texas beef, as always, made in the USA. The back looks pretty intense. It's got flames on it, and you know, it has to be spicy if it says it is. So, back of it says faith, family, and outdoors. We've always done things a little differently. Some would say the hard way. We would say the right way. We don't take shortcuts. That's why Yee Yee Jerky is made with prime Texas beef. 3.25 ounces. Serving size is 1 ounce. Total fat is 2 grams. Saturated fat 0.5 grams. Monounsaturated fat 1 gram. Cholesterol 15 milligrams. Sodium 75 milligrams. Potassium 390 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 1 gram. Sugar 1 gram. Protein 8 gram. Iron 4%. And that's based on 1 serving size. That's the back of the bag. It's ingredients are beef, apple juice, water, peach juice, cultured sugar, vinegar, seasoning, brown sugar, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, jalapeno powder, ground ginger, celery powder, potassium, sorbate, canola oil, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. So yeah, this just came out a few weeks ago. But let's open it up and see what it smells like. And it does look pretty hot. So I'm excited.
Yeah, you can smell that hot and spicy for sure.
Yeah, boy. Got a special guest here, of course. Buster. He loves this stuff. Here, hold that. I'm gonna get a picture too. Bubby. All right, so it smells like jerky, but it definitely smells spicy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna. I mean, Buster really wants to see this. So.
Bobby.
Oh my God, he is like freaking out.
Bobby.
Come here.
Come on, baby.
Apparently he really likes it. He's just freaking out.
Oh, but
All right, so Buster approves of it. Thank you, buddy. He doesn't like, we had that spicy chips on here, and he hated me for like a week. All right, so there's a big piece. You can see like all the seasonings, and it's very, very flexible. It's really nice. Wow. These are like, let me see. That's all like pepper seeds right here. Yes, I'll save you some, Mom, like you asked. It's a piece for you. Oh, and it's not sponsored, but we got Propel kiwi strawberry water here just in case. Because you never know. It smells delicious. You sure you want to do it? It could be hot. It could be nappy. All right, well. Go Yee. Oh, there's a spiciness.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it sting a little bit more. Yee Yee. Here's a fist pound. It's delicious. Want another one?
No, I'm good.
Literally, my mouth. Let's see. My mouth is really spicy, tingling, numb. It is what it is. Man. This is good job, Yee Yee. Good job. Because you know, most companies, you buy something that says it's hot, and it ain't nothing. Like that candy we did. Oh, Gabby wants to try too. Gabby, come here. Come here, girl. She wagged her tail. Is it good? Yeah. All right, so two dogs approve of it. But yeah, it is amazing, delicious, wonderful. Thank you guys for coming out with your own jerky. Like, I make my own beef jerky, but this will be like the only brand that I would actually ever buy. And because it's the pricing is, you know, they're looking out for the Americans. They're not trying to screw you with a $20 bag. But anyways, it's delicious. You can see it's real nice and flexible. I mean, there's only one serving this bag for me, but what are your thoughts?
It's good. I mean, it's a little
I'm sweating.
It's a little spicy and hot, but not too bad.
Hats off to you, Yee Yee. Thank you for making an incredible product. It's a very, very nice spicy. Perfect. You guys nailed it. So, well, y'all live life to the fullest. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all y'all. I get back to all your comments. Until next time. Yee Yee.